eating garlic and honey together offers various health benefits. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, while honey is rich in antioxidants and has natural antibacterial properties as well. Combining the two creates a powerful natural remedy to boost your immune system, your skin health, your brain health, your energy levels, and so much more. So, in this episode, let's learn about some amazing health benefits of eating garlic and honey and see how it can cover various aspects of your health. Let's begin. Number 1. Improved skin health. When you consume garlic and honey together, their combined properties can work from the inside out. Allicin and other sulfur-based compounds in garlic can potentially reduce inflammation and fight bacteria linked to acne breakouts. Garlic has also been shown to boost collagen production, contributing to firmer, plumper skin. Honey's antimicrobial properties can further aid in this fight against acne-causing bacteria. You can also apply this mixture directly to your skin for localized benefits. Honey's humectant properties help attract and retain moisture in the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. Both garlic and honey also have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, potentially aiding in reducing inflammation and fighting bacteria associated with various skin conditions like acne and eczema. However, it's important to note that topical application of garlic can be irritating to some individuals, so a patch test on a small area of your arm is recommended before applying it to your face. We'll also learn how to make this mixture for oral and topical use, so stay tuned. Number 2. Immune-boosting effects. Allicin, along with other sulfur-containing compounds in garlic, has been shown to have powerful antimicrobial and antiviral properties. This means they can potentially fight off harmful bacteria and viruses that can cause infections. Garlic may also stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are like your body's soldiers in the fight against pathogens. On the other hand, honey has both antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. It contains certain enzymes that produce hydrogen peroxide, a substance with known antimicrobial effects against harmful bacteria and viruses. Plus, its soothing properties can alleviate symptoms like coughs and sore throats associated with upper respiratory infections. Honey also contains antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This damage can weaken your immune response, so antioxidants play a supportive role. In short, when you consume both garlic and honey together, you're essentially providing your body with a broader range of immune-supporting properties. Number 3. Improved digestion. First up, garlic. This pungent bulb packs a punch when it comes to gut health. It contains a compound called allicin, which helps eliminate harmful bacteria in your digestive system. This can be helpful in promoting a healthier balance of good and bad bacteria, preventing digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. Garlic also stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down your food into smaller pieces so that your body can easily absorb nutrients from it. Now, let's move on to honey. This sweet treat isn't just delicious, it's also packed with certain enzymes and antioxidants that can support your digestion. The enzymes in honey help break down various food components like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, making the whole process smoother and easier on your system. Honey's antioxidants come with anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe your digestive tract and reduce irritation. Plus, honey acts as a prebiotic, meaning it helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria are crucial for optimal digestion and overall gut health. Number 4. Weight management. Garlic's sulfur-based compounds can help regulate your sugar levels, which is key for weight management. Why? Because when your blood sugar spikes, it triggers your body to store more fat. And when it crashes, it makes you crave more high-carb and sugary foods. Garlic can help prevent those spikes, potentially reducing cravings and keeping your body in fat-burning mode. Honey might seem counterintuitive for weight management. Yes, it's a natural sweetener, but in this case, you won't be consuming too much of it, you'll be balancing it with garlic's sugar-regulating effects. This means you'll be getting a steadier release of energy, which can help you avoid reaching for sugary snacks for a quick pick-me-up. Plus, honey comes with its own set of antioxidants and enzymes that can support your digestion and metabolism, potentially helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Number 5. Enhanced brain health and memory. Studies show that garlic helps improve blood flow to the brain. This increased flow is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients, potentially leading to better cognitive function. While garlic's antioxidant properties can help protect your brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, eventually minimizing your chances of developing nerve damage and many complications associated with it. The other ingredient, honey, is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These can help reduce inflammation in the brain, which is linked to various cognitive issues. Combining garlic and honey might offer even greater benefits. Studies show that together, they can potentially enhance cognitive abilities like memory, concentration, and problem-solving skills. Some studies also show that regularly consuming both might help prevent age-related cognitive decline and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Number 6. Boosts energy. As mentioned before, garlic can help improve blood circulation and oxygen delivery to your cells. This increased oxygen flow can lead to a noticeable increase in your energy levels. Garlic is also a good source of vitamin C, B6, and manganese, all of which play a role in energy production within the body. As for honey, well, it provides a quick energy boost thanks to its simple sugars like glucose and fructose. These sugars are easily absorbed by your body and converted into usable energy. It also contains antioxidants that can fight oxidative stress and fatigue, contributing to sustained energy levels throughout the day. So eventually, consuming garlic and honey mixture provides a natural and long-lasting energy source, helping you combat fatigue and stay fresh and active. Number 7. Detoxify heavy metals. Studies show that allicin and other sulfur-based compounds in garlic can bind to heavy metals like lead and mercury, potentially aiding their removal from the body through excretion. And honey is loaded with antioxidants, which minimize the harmful effects and free radical damage caused by heavy metals. So together, these two ingredients could be a great combination for detoxification. Number 8. Improved heart health. Studies show that garlic can help lower cholesterol levels and may even help regulate blood pressure. How? Allicin may help dilate your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more smoothly and reducing strain on your heart. On top of that, garlic boasts antioxidant properties that can protect your heart tissue from damage, potentially lowering your risk of cardiovascular disease. On the other hand, honey is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved blood circulation. Plus, it can help lower your bad LDL cholesterol while raising your good HDL cholesterol, leading to a healthier overall cholesterol profile. Some studies even show that honey might also have antithrombotic effects, meaning it may prevent blood clots from forming. This can significantly reduce your risk of having heart attacks and strokes. Now, let's see how to prepare the garlic and honey mixture. Here's what you'll need. Grab 3 to 4 garlic heads, separate them into cloves, and decide whether to chop them finely or leave them whole. Then find a jar with a lid and pour in 1 cup of raw honey. Mix it all up well to coat the garlic, seal the jar tightly, and let it infuse for a few days. There are 2 ways to enjoy it. For the infused version, take a spoonful of the honey-garlic mixture on an empty stomach in the morning. Or, if you prefer fresh, simply chop a clove of garlic and consume it with a spoonful of raw honey. For topical use or a DIY face mask, mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a ½ teaspoon of plain yogurt or mashed avocado. If your skin tolerates it well, you can add a tiny amount of crushed garlic, starting with a pinch and gradually increasing based on your skin sensitivity. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. And don't forget to conduct a patch test on your inner arm to check for any irritation. If you experience any discomfort, discontinue use immediately. Consult your doctor before making any significant dietary changes. This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your doctor can provide personalized advice to ensure garlic and honey are safe and suitable for you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.